You eat 3 times a day. Ancient humans, they ate whenever death didn't eat them first. For 99% of human history, there were no farms, no grocery stores, no Uber Eats. We spent 2.5 million years as hunter-gatherers. That's not a diet trend. That's just reality. So what did they actually eat? The answer will make your nutritionist cry. First rule of ancient eating: eat what doesn't kill you. Simple, brutal, effective. Early humans, Homo habilis, 2.5 million years ago, were basically walking stomachs with sharp rocks. Their main tool? A hand axe made of flint. Their main use? Smashing bones to get the good stuff inside. Bone marrow. That's the ancient superfood no influencer is talking about. Marrow is packed with fat and calories. When you're starving on the savannah, fat equals survival. Before hunting, ancient humans were mostly scavengers. Yes, they stole food from lions. Scavenging isn't glamorous, but eating a lion's leftovers beats starving every time. Vultures eat the flesh. Early humans came in for round 2, the bones. This strategy worked for hundreds of thousands of years. Evolution approved. Then Homo erectus arrived, and everything changed. Bigger brain, bigger appetite, fire. That's what changed the game. Homo erectus learned to cook, and it rewired the human body. Cooking food means your gut doesn't have to work as hard to digest it. Your gut shrunk, your brain grew. Richard Rankin's cooking hypothesis? Fire didn't just feed humans, fire made humans. Without cooking, you'd need to chew raw food for 6 hours a day, like a gorilla. So ancient humans were eating cooked meat at least 1 million years ago. Your steak has history. But meat wasn't everything. Plants made up a huge part of the ancient diet. Nobody talks about this. Roots, tubers, berries, nuts, leaves. Ancient humans ate everything the land had to offer. Tubers were the ancient carp, yams, wild potatoes, cassava roots, energy you could dig up. Tubers can be stored, roasted, and eaten year-round. They were basically ancient fast food. Studies on modern hunter-gatherers like the Hadza show plants make up 50 to 70% of their diet. The Hadza of Tanzania still live like ancient humans. Scientists study them like a time machine. The Hadza eat baobab fruit.
Tubers, honey, berries, and game meat. No protein shakes needed. Honey. Ancient humans loved honey. Cave paintings in Spain show humans raiding beehives 8,000 years ago. Honey is pure sugar and calories. For a hunter-gatherer burning 4,000 calories a day, it's rocket fuel. Getting honey meant fighting bees. Ancient humans built up smoke fires to distract them. Genius. The Bira people of Congo still do this. Same technique. 50,000 years of bee hacking. Now, let's talk meat. How did early humans actually hunt? Spoiler, not like in the movies. For most of prehistory, humans were not the apex predators. We were prey too. Cave hyenas, saber-toothed cats, giant eagles. All of them saw ancient humans as dinner. It wasn't until 70,000, 100,000 years ago that humans started dominating the food chain. The secret weapon? Persistence hunting. Humans ran animals to death. Literally. Humans can't run as fast as a deer, but we can run for 6 hours straight. Animals can't. This is called persistence hunting. The San people of Kalahari still do it today. Sweat glands. That's our superpower. Humans can sweat. Most animals can't cool down as efficiently. Bare skin plus sweat equals the most advanced cooling system evolution ever produced. Your gym still can't beat it. So ancient humans could chase prey until it collapsed from heat exhaustion, then kill it close up. What animals did they hunt? Everything. Mammoths, bison, horses, deer, wildebeests, elephants. Mammoth hunting was ancient humans' Super Bowl. A single kill fed an entire tribe for weeks. Mammoth meat, mammoth fat, mammoth skin for clothing, mammoth bones for shelters. Zero waste. Ancient humans were the original zero-waste movement, just without the tote bags. Fish. Ancient humans figured out fishing absurdly early, 164,000 years ago in South Africa. Blombos Cave in South Africa has fish bones proving ancient humans were eating ocean food. Shellfish were an ancient fast food, easy to collect, high in protein, sitting right on the rocks. Shell middens, ancient trash heaps of shellfish, are found on every continent near coasts. The brain food theory. Eating shellfish gave ancient humans the omega-3 boost to grow bigger brains. Halfway there, let's talk about something nobody mentions. Ancient humans ate insects. Termites, grubs, grasshoppers, caterpillars, all packed with protein, fat, and vitamins. The Hadza crack open termite mounds and eat the insects fresh. It's like a protein bar, a crunchy one. Insects are nutritionally superior to beef in many ways. We just have a mental block about them. 2 billion people still eat insects regularly today. Ancient wisdom hiding in plain sight. Now, eggs. Ancient humans eat eggs whenever they could find them. Robin eggs, crocodile eggs, all eggs. Eggs are calorie dense and need zero processing. Ancient humans love them for the same reason you do. Wild plants.
Not just salad. Ancient humans knew exactly which plants were edible, medicinal, or deadly. This plant knowledge was passed down for generations. It was the original Wikipedia. Wild garlic, dandelions, watercress, sorrel. These aren't weeds, they're ancient superfoods. Ancient humans also ate bark, tree sap, and fungi. Not by choice, by necessity. Fungi were underrated. Mushrooms are calorie light, but packed with B vitamins and umami flavor. One scary reality: ancient humans ate poisonous plants by mistake all the time. Natural selection at work. Trial and error was the only food safety standard. Death was the 1-star review. Seasons controlled everything. Summer meant abundance. Winter meant suffering. In winter, ancient humans either stored food, migrated, or starved. Usually one of those worked. Feast or famine. That was life. Eat everything when available. Your body evolved to store fat for this reason. This feast-famine cycle literally shaped human metabolism. Your body still thinks it's going to starve. That's why dieting is hard. Evolution didn't design you to pass on a donut. It designed you to grab it. Ancient humans had no concept of obesity. There was simply no mechanism for it. They walked 12 to 20 kilometers every single day just to find food. Your Apple Watch would explode. Let's talk teeth. Ancient human teeth tell us everything about what they ate. Isotope analysis of fossilized teeth can detect whether someone ate plants, animals, or fish 100,000 years later. Neanderthals, our closest cousins, ate primarily large game. Woolly rhinos, mammoths, cave bears. Neanderthals were apex predators, but their diet was narrow. When megafauna died out, they struggled. Homo sapiens ate a wider variety. More plants, fish, insects, birds. Dietary flexibility equals survival advantage. This might be why we survived and Neanderthals didn't. Eating different things is a superpower. Ancient humans in coastal areas had radically different diets from those inland. No universal caveman diet. The paleo
Diet craze? Based on real science, but often oversimplified. Ancient humans ate whatever was local. There's no single ancestral diet. A Siberian ancient human ate very differently from an African one. Let's go extreme. Some ancient Arctic humans ate 90% meat and fat, 0 plants. And they were healthy. The Inuit prove humans can thrive on almost pure fat and protein, if that's what's available. Meanwhile, tropical hunter-gatherers in the Amazon ate 80% plants. Both groups, perfectly healthy. Your body is insanely adaptable. That's the whole point. One species, infinite diets. Now, fermenting. Ancient humans discovered fermentation by accident. A fruit rotting in a hollow log. Fermented food, accidentally rotted food, preserved nutrients and made ancient foods safer to eat. Some scientists think ancient humans even got accidentally drunk off fermented fruit. Imagine that first hangover. Elephant birds, giant sloths, mastodons. Ancient humans hunted every megafauna species they met. Wherever humans went, megafauna went extinct. Australia, the Americas, Madagascar. The pattern is undeniable. Ancient humans were the first mass extinction event caused by a species. We've always been this way. Let's talk nutrition science. Were ancient humans healthier than us? Fossil records show ancient humans had less tooth decay, less obesity, less type 2 diabetes.
But they also
Had shorter average lifespans, constant infection risk, and broke bones regularly. The number one killer of ancient humans wasn't diet. It was infection, injury, and childbirth. Diet was actually fine. The agricultural revolution, 10,000 BC, ironically made diets worse for most people initially. Farming meant more calories, but less variety. Wheat and barley replaced 100 different plants. Early farmers were shorter, had more tooth decay, and suffered more nutritional deficiencies than hunter-gatherers. But farming supported 100 times more people per square kilometer. Numbers beat nutrition, at least for civilization. So what's the takeaway? Ancient humans weren't eating optimal diets, they were eating available diets. Diversity was the key. Plants, meat, fish, insects, fungi, eggs, honey, all of it, all the time. Next time someone sells you the one perfect diet, remember, your ancestors ate everything, and that's exactly why you're here.